Hey Siri, go to closest McDonald's.
The nearest one I found is McDonald's on Highway 7 in Richmond Hill. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you. Starting route to McDonald's. Proceed to Conrad Crescent.
Get me to closest gas station.
Let's take Leslie Street, Markham. Arrival time on this route is similar to John Street, Bayview Avenue, Markham.
How is the weather today?
Today in Markham, it'll be cloudy with a forecasted high of 4 and a low of 2. Currently, it's 2 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Get me to closest gas station.
Navigating to Petro Canada.